Hello friends, welcome back to one more sequence and series problems. The sum of n terms of two arithmetic progression are in the ratio of 3n plus 8 is to 7n plus 15. Find the ratio of the 12s. So in sequence and series, the summation formula will be Sn equal to n by 2 to a plus n minus 1 into d. The nth term formula will be a plus n minus 1 into d. So summation of two terms will be summation of Sn equal to first term and second term. So first term will be n by 2 into 2a1 plus n minus 1 into d1. So summation of second, this one first, n by 2 to a2 plus n minus 1 divided by d2. These two equations ratio they have given. So equating both, so n by 2 2a plus 1 n minus 1 into d1 divided by n by 2 2a2 plus n minus 1 into d1 equal to 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15. This will be n1 n by 2 n by 2 get cancelled, so this will 2a1 plus n minus 1 d1 divided by 2a2 plus n1 by d2 equal to 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15. Find the 12th term. So 12th term of first terms divided by 12th term of second terms will be the equation is, if you put a plus n will be 12, 12 minus 1 will be 11 d1 divided by a plus 11 d2. This will be a1, this is a2. So if you put n equal to 23, suppose if I put n equal to 23, what will get here? 2a1 plus n is 23, 23 minus 1 will be 22 d1 divided by 2a2 plus 23 minus 1 22 d2 equal to 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15. So 2 will be common, 2 here also 2 common, a1 plus 11 d1 divided by a2 plus 11 d2 equal to 3n plus 8 7n plus 15. So here also 2 is common is there, 2 to get cancelled. This is a1 plus 11 d1 a2 divided by 11 a2 plus 11 d2 equal to 3n plus 8 or divided by 7n plus 15. So the equation 1 and 2 are same, so we can equate this equation equal to this one. So here I got n equal to 23, a1 plus 11 d1 divided by a2 plus 11 d2 equal to 3n plus 8 7n plus 15. Here I got n equal to 23. So if I put n equal to 23, 3 into 23 plus 8 divided by 3 into n is 23 plus 15. So 23 3 is a 69, 69 plus 8 divided by 23, 23 sevens. This is 7 7 23 1 7 7 20 means 140, 140 plus 21 1 171. This is 161, 161 plus 15 will be, this is 77 divided by 176. This will be 11 sevens 11 11s. This will be 7 by 11. 7 by 11 will be the answer. The answer will be 7 by 11. Thanks for watching.